Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need the basics done first. Make sure your iPhone runs iOS 15 or later, and you're signed into your Apple ID. Once ready, open Settings and tap FaceTime so you can change session behavior immediately. You do this now because Shareplay is controlled per FaceTime session and globally there. Make sure not to be in the middle of a critical call. If you are, pause or notify participants so the settings change won't interrupt anything unexpectedly. You're in FaceTime settings. Scroll until you see the Shareplay toggle, sometimes labeled under Automatic Playback or Shareplay. Tap that toggle off. This prevents apps and participants from starting shared sessions automatically during calls. If you want extra control, also open Settings right arrow screen time to restrict FaceTime or media sharing. Make sure to check for a managed device profile if the toggle is grayed out. A company or school MDM may enforce Shareplay and needs adjusting by the administrator. Once you disable Shareplay, close settings and restart FaceTime. Better yet, reboot the iPhone to ensure the change takes effect across apps. If Shareplay still shows during a call, sign out of your Apple ID in Settings, then sign back in and recheck the toggle. This refreshes entitlement syncing. If the option remains locked or behaves oddly, it's likely an MDM or account policy. Contact your administrator or app.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.